How long has the train been gone? How long? How long has the train been gone? Tell me how long. I was just a minute too late to take a ticket and step on. It's gone. It was blowing when you turn around the bend. Yes, it was. It was blowing when you turn around the bend. Yes, it was. You know my little girl done gone and left me, and I don't know what for. No, I don't. Train, old train, don't blow so lonesome and long, old train. Train, don't blow so lonesome and long, no train. You know I ain't got nobody now, and my little girl done gone, yeah, she gone. Gone this morning, train hardly ever feel. No, it don't. It's gone this morning, train don't hardly ever feel. No, it don't. Same thing asked her to do, them the same thing she won't. No, she won't. That's what I'm talking about.
Getting gone. I told you he was going to do that, boy. Ain't nothing these Mississippi guys. Yeah, tell me, woman, do you love your man? No, they don't love your man, boy. Put it, boy, put it. Yeah, thought I would. I'm living still red. along, boy. Breathe along, boy. Ain't a big bird in the cool of the evening. Hey, I thought I heard him now. That's them ringing, boy. Good God Almighty. Oh, listen, that beer. Good God, makes me think about 8 of beer. Get the shooter, boy, let's go. Let's catch it in the bin. We can't catch that phone. Going in Alabama now, and I know it. Girlie walking, that is I'll be right. I know I'm gonna ride, boy. I know if I can't catch it on the floor, I'm gonna catch it in the bin. I'm going to Jordan, too, boy. Yeah, thought I heard. I done left it with the floor. That was it, blow